To configure SonNet devices on the network using the driver, you can select here in the navigation tree the various nodes, either the routers or the end devices. Double-clicking on the device will display its property page, and you can expand the list of points that are available and the list of config points that are available. In this particular instance, we have a router that has a temperature sensor on it, so you can also see its runtime. That's the number of hours that the device has been powered up. Temp sig is whether the last temperature transmitted was transmitted on significant change. In this instance, it's false, so it wasn't, and link quality indices to the parent. We can also see here that the parent for the router is in this case the receivers. The config bits here tell us whether the particular device has sensor elements and various options fitted. It has a temperature element, which is true. It doesn't have RH, it doesn't have a set point, and it doesn't have a momentary switch. These 4 configuration settings determine in this instance how often the device transmits its measured values. In this case, it's the default 900 seconds or 15 minutes. The significant change level is in this case half a degree. This means that if the temperature changes more than half a degree during the 900 second transmission period, it will automatically wake up and send its temperature. Same with a significant RH. We can also see the firmware software revisions there. To update all of this information, we have to use the get all data command. Before we do that, we will see that these points here, some values are noted as OK and others are noted as stale. That's completely normal, as under normal circumstances, a router or end device sensor will only send its measured values and statuses. It doesn't automatically send runtime and parent LQIs. That's to save network traffic and battery power. These will time out automatically if they're not updated automatically. If we get all data, we will see that it is now requested to update all these values here, and now they've all gone to OK. If any changes have been made in the config bits, we can see those there, and to indicate that changes have been made to the config bits and all the information has come back, the config section will automatically collapse itself again. If you want to make a change, default measurement interval, you have the option to action set measurement interval, and we can set it to 300 seconds, for example. And we can now check to see that it has received the information by clicking on Get Sensor Configuration. There, we see now the measurements have been updated. The measurement interval and the same is true for battery-powered end devices. Here we have a much broader list of points because this device is fitted with temperature RH set point and momentary switch.